Okay, when you pulled this off and actually torn the ball off the end of this, the way you will repair it when you get the new one, you will run this through the threads in the top of the clamp. Then you will put a small dot of super glue down in the bottom, fit this up onto here, being careful not to get the super glue in the swivel part of the joint. Then this can just be tightened down and let sit for a minute or two. And then when I didn't actually glue it, and then when you back this off, your pad should swivel freely. And what causes this, if you back, it's not glued in, so I can go ahead and do it. If you try to open the clamp too far, it will actually pull it right off the end. But once that's glued into that hole, it will actually pop the ball right off the socket.